Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, identify and unlatch the base cover to remove it. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel. Find and unlatch the hard drive from the system. Grasp the cables at the connector base and disconnect them. Lift the assembly up to remove it. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it. To reinstall the memory module, place it back into the system and relatch it. Place the assembly back in the system. Reconnect the cables and relatch the assembly. Place the front bezel and base cover back on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.